Step by Step 19 Essential Dharma Talks by Sayadaw Jotika. Talk 15 Walking Meditation and Observing Sensations. Walking meditation and its benefits. Walking meditation supports a stable samadhi. The walking path should be no shorter than 10 paces. A very short path with frequent turning is not suitable, as it can create restlessness. On the other hand, it should not exceed 60 arm lengths. An excessively long path is also unsuitable. The Thai forest tradition often recommends around 30 paces. The path should be even, with a width of about 2 arm lengths. Samadhi in walking meditation. Experiential aspects of walking meditation. When placing the foot down, it may feel as if the foot is sinking into the earth. Compared with sitting meditation, walking involves less mental proliferation. Therefore, it is generally not necessary to apply detailed verbal labels in walking meditation. In sitting meditation, detailed noting is more useful to prevent sloth and torpor. In walking meditation, however, no need to note in detail with naming, because the existing and knowing mind may not be occurred together. Therefore, contemplate only to know its nature, because the process happens faster. Refinement of contemplation in walking meditation. Therefore, one should contemplate only to know the nature of phenomena. When samadhi becomes stable, one may then contemplate in greater detail, such as in lifting, stepping and putting down the foot. Step by Step 19 Essential Dharma Talks by Sayadaw Jotika. Talk 16 Walking, Observing Movements and Mental States. During walking meditation, the head should not be inclined too low. The eyes should rest naturally at a distance of about 6 feet, approximately 2 arm lengths ahead. One observes the process of changing while walking. If seeing, hearing or thinking, thoughts arise, these too must be contemplated. As for how long a yogi should walk, this must be decided by oneself, according to one's condition. As samadhi develops, the yogi forgets the surroundings. The mind becomes absorbed in the contemplative object and may become unaware of time. This may be one reason why some Thai ajahns were able to walk for many hours on the walking path. At this stage, I am instructing you not yet to contemplate anicca. Practice is still within satipatthana at the initial level, primarily for the purpose of developing samadhi.